Hey everybody, Metalhead Wife here again. I did my baby gold review this morning. Been wearing it all day. Don't even know I have it on. Now my second unboxing, Yearly Company. They make solid gold bangles of varying widths and sizes. I got their sizing kit back in September. And I was like, wow, I really would love to get one of these bangles. And they send you a sizing kit of all these different sizes so you know exactly what size bangle you need. They make them in 14 karat, white, rose, and yellow gold. The white gold is not rhodium plated. Let's open it up. It's my first purchase from them. I'm super excited. I ordered this also on Friday because they are having a price increase on the 14th on Sunday. If you go to their website and look up, I believe, their journal, and you click on it, they'll talk about what pieces specifically are going up in price. Gold is going up, folks. Simple white box. So I grabbed a bangle that I wanted. I also had a $50 off for my first purchase because I signed up for their emails and their text messages. And you know what? I believe it paid off. Okay, get a little card here, and then you get a little thank you card. Here it is. I know it's going to fit because I did the sizing, so I know it's going to fit. Super excited. What a day. I wasn't supposed to get my baby gold until Friday, which is tomorrow. I knew this was coming today. Very nice packaging. It slides out. It's called Yearly Company. I'll put the link down below. Year after year. They say, hey, you can wear these all the time, 24/7. Comes with a polishing cloth. A little bit of information about the polishing cloth. And this is it itself. I got the heavyweight bangle in a size 8. So excited. Oh, look at that. That's the heavyweight bangle. The original bangle is the first one they ever made. And that's like a 16 gauge solid gold wire. This is a 14 gauge. Let's see if it fits. It's supposed to be a little tight like that, but then once it's on, it's on. It's a little bright, but yeah, look at that. Now, what's funny is you see this bent up one here? This is the brass one. They send you a sizing kit with brass bangles in the same width as their original bangle. So I've been wearing that like crazy so that I can determine how it would stack with my other bracelets and all that sort of stuff. I'm really finicky that way. So this is the new bangle right here. Wow, it's nice. It's just a simple gold bangle, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but I love it. So, like I said in my first video this morning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear these as much as I can every single day, 24/7, and see what happens. Give it a few weeks, maybe a month. Baby Gold is one of those Instagram kind of popular little 14 karat gold companies. Yearly Co. I found actually through someone on a forum. So that's how I found them. But I'm also going to try Majori. I'm going to get a piece from them. I'm going to get a piece from Gorgiana. You know, a lot of these, you know, accessible, minimalistic type. There's one called Orate. I'm probably mispronouncing that. And I think there's another one called 14 Carats. And, you know, as I can, because I am saving up for my big designer piece for my luxury shopping trip next year with my friend, where I got my Clash bangle in March. I'm going to buy little pieces, nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know, whatever, because I am saving for my big piece. But I am going to do the wear and tear, you know, because I want to know that I can just wear these, put them on, and do what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so this is the Yearly bangle. I love it. And we're going to leave it on because they say you can. Another good thing about Yearly Co. or Yearly Company, women owned, women operated, and you have a lifetime warranty on your bangle. If it ever gets so beat up that, or broken, let's say. If it gets broken, breaks, whatever, you can send it back to them anytime and they will fix it. It's a free lifetime warranty. Is this the cheapest gold bangle of this size on the internet? No. I could go to Etsy and probably get one too, but I also like the story behind them. They're very informative and very helpful. So Yearly Company, I'll put the link in there. And everybody have a great day. And let's hope Friday comes sooner than later, right? Okay. Bye now. Thanks for watching.